I have worked with spirit now for well over 40 years, and every day I learn things. Every day I come to understand more. I gain more insight. I gain more humility. I gain more balance. And I have many people who come to classes, and most thrive through them. Most move through them joyfully and learn and grow and allow themselves to expand themselves through their awareness, through their consciousness, through their connections. There are those, however, and a few, fortunately, who are impatient. They feel that they have this gift and it should all be pre-made, preset. They should just be in their second class and be amazing. Because of course they are amazing. And we're all amazing. So that goes without any you know conflict in my mind. You're all amazing, but be patient, be kind. Understand that it's a process. You learn through doing, you learn through sharing, you learn through working with it. Through it, we are limited in the physical. We are restricted in the physical. We can get in our way here. It's learning how not to be in your way so you can be more. So relax into it and be patient. It takes a while to be amazing at your gifts and to be able to heal others. We need to heal ourselves first. I wish you love and joy and success in all of your pursuits. Joy will flow through you. Thank you.